What is going on, you guys? We're right here just picking up some hat orders. It's a small little order, you know, simple Richardson hats. It's about 12, just a dozen. Something older. We're about to head up over to the shop and we're gonna get the day started. Okay, now I'm here. We got a lot. Honestly, we got a lot of embroidery work to do. We just finished these up. I had to clean them up. It's a 3D puff embroidery job. We got a bunch of beanies we gotta do for this nightclub that always orders from us. We got another 24 hats, black hats. That's also 3D puff embroidery that we gotta do. So yeah, let's get this day started with. This is a full color print that we have to do as well. Shouts out to Cuts and Kicks. See, this is in the back and this is in the front. Dreams don't die. Yeah, came out nice. Came out nicer than I thought. Looks really good. Remember, this is screen printed, not DTG. This is screen printed. First things first, I gotta go over my online orders. Let me see if I have any orders at the moment. Yes, I do. Let me log in real quick. I haven't checked it on my phone. Okay, yeah, we got one shirt that I gotta do. It's just a white shirt front print, and another more embroidery coming in. 30 hats, front logo. I still haven't checked. Let me see. 5 different color hats, 6 of each, so that makes 30. Yeah, logo seems pretty simple. I just send that out so that my digitizer can digitize the logo, and then I should have it ready by tomorrow. On first is trying to get rid of the excess threads on this before I heat it up. You know, just sometimes the machine kind of messes up and there's like excess threads on it, so it's easier if I cut those out first and then go with the heat gun and do them all at once instead of doing one by one. It's gonna take me forever. So this way is easier. All right, now that I have the hats done and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and start on while these beanies are embroidering. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the artwork that I need to do from client. So let's go on with it. So there you have it. This is what the client wanted. He wanted his logo in the front. It's about a, let me check. 1, 2, 3. It's a 3-color print. You could say 4, but since it's a black shirt, I'm gonna go ahead and just use the black of the shirt instead of adding another color. And in the back, he wants something like real small, his other logo, but he wants it like really small where you can barely see it. I don't know if you can see it in camera, but it says Listo para el Pisto. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and send him this mock-up, see what he says, and if he likes it, we're gonna go ahead and print it. And I'm just waiting on these on these beanies to finish. I got about 2 more to go, and of course these, but it should be done in any minute by now. These shirts are for a different client. They're coming out nice. It's supposed to be a black with red on it. All it says is Tumbado. We also did another batch of shirts for him. I'm gonna show you guys those as well once these are finished. But man, I'm really digging these. They were done on a Tool Tex 100% ring spun, so the t-shirt's like really high quality. But something so simple, it looks so badass. That's it for today. It was a short day today. Tomorrow I gotta go drop off these beanies and some shirts. I'll probably show you guys off the shirts we did for the same company. So I still gotta clean these. I'll just clean these off tomorrow, and we'll go drop off the shirts, and yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings in for us. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of videos, I'm just keep uploading, see what I can do. Also, I'm gonna start trying to do like I'm gonna start doing these vlogs more often, and I'm gonna try to give you guys tips on how to grow your business. You know, I mean, I really like helping people grow their business, and yeah, who knows, in the future maybe everybody can be worry-free. I mean, look where I'm at, and I didn't start this out of nothing. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try to keep doing my thing, and if you guys like these videos, let me know.